Merry Christmas!
Guess what? We have first prize winner of our flip phone competition. You remember the competition? Did you refer anyone? Well, this gentleman did. Francois McDonald, this is the man. These are the first prize winner with the first competition. I will show you say it's real.
When we contacted him to say you're the winner, he could not believe it. He was so happy, and we were so happy for him as well.
Real?
Yes, it is.
Sure. Say it again, it's real?
Yes, it is.
Pop out him phone and game. Wonder who am I gonna call first? I'm gonna see a lady come at the gate a while ago and peep me. I wonder if she am gonna call first. I'm gonna call some of the people them where, you know, in refer, tell thanks. Me don't know, me don't know. Who am I gonna call first? What say you?
Well, before you put in chip first, but
All right.
it's
All
real
right.
as it can.
Yes.
Real as it can.
But I look like Bennett, let me see, because me never.
Whoa!
Like that.
That looks so
You want him
nice. Call me, please.
See, now, what you say? Call you?
100%.
So, you're not only get a phone, one of those two phone numbers.
Ah, no.
So the numbers already stored? He said no.
You kill me.
Why is he killing himself? Alright, Santa not give you no trouble this Christmas.
Alright.
Already just give you a gift. And yo, we appreciate you taking part in the competition. We appreciate you believing our family. We appreciate you just, you know, making references. Continue making references. And you used to say it pay off.
Yeah, it pay off, man. I'm saying one of the best shipping company.
Right.
Not one of the best, the best.
There
When
goes.
it comes to customer service, tell you the truth.
Come
You
in
can
closer.
rely. Any question
Yeah.
you want to ask,
Right.
anything you want to know, you just ask.
Yeah.
And you get the answer. If you don't understand something, as I say, I refer enough people before the competition.
Yeah.
Rest in the competition, I say, no, man, I
Yeah, I
feel for
feel.
them more.
Come true.
Yes, so you know,
like that.
and thanks very much.
Yeah, man, all day, every day, we're here to please, and you know, as well, not because you're there gas rate, because we're doing good things. You know that if we're having challenges, I want you to also reach out to us and say, hey, you know, say, boy, there is a issue, make we fix it. That is how we grow.
So as I'm saying, if you have a problem, if you
We fix
reach
it.
out,
We
you
fix
get the
it.
answer, you correct.
There you have it, my family. Whatever it is, good, bad, or indifferent, we fix it. We're here to please. This man said, honor me. And him not only say it because it's Christmas, you know. Him say it because it is what he means, right?
Right.
All right, so I'm gonna tell him, man, congrats.
Congrats. We really appreciate you.
Me, I got the man, so. And tell him, man, congrats. What kind of
Congratulations.